into it. Come on, you got it. Yes, coach. Oh, God. Don't serve. Next person. Your bench, Veronica. Sit down. Good, good, good.
I'm not good enough. I need to practice.
Coach, I'm ready. All right, let's see it. Ella, you guys are playing. She's not gonna make it.
0-0, service.
You're in.
No!
You're in.
Thank you,
You're gonna
Coach.
play the championship round. You did good.
Thank you.
Yes!
I was almost there.
No! God! Veronica! Come here. Come inside. Take a seat. You know why I called you in here today?
Yes, Coach.
Why do you think?
Because I lost the game.
You lost the game, and I trusted you. You had me put you on that team to win, and I trusted you. And you messed up, and you lost us the game.
I'm sorry, Coach.